everyone. I woke up, what, an hour and a half ago and I could see the stars outside. And then it starts getting daylight. I know I've seen stars. Where'd the blue sky go? It's kind of messy out here. We're on Highway 3A. The old train bridge. Oh, still active train bridge. That train track still gets used. We're on Highway 3A, south of Nelson, headed southbound to Castlegar. We unloaded our first load of insulation, so we only have a load on our front trailer, so just on the drive wheels. The roads are pretty wet right now. When I woke up, the tarp was so frozen, I could not pull it off. I had to get the guys to pull their forklift up to it. I bungeed the tarp to the forklift and they yanked it off with the forklift. He was pulling back and just stretching these bungees out, and he stops and goes, "Keep going." I'm like, "Keep going till the bungees break or the tarp comes off." When I threw the tarps on, it was raining, and now it's just cold enough to freeze. A little layer of friction, right? A little bit of that contact. Everything is barely frozen on. Just impossible to pull off. Keep using my wipers just to keep the windows clean because there's so much traffic here. Slippery sections. Probably was slippery half an hour ago as well here. It's thawing up pretty quick. So we're going to drop this load in Castlegar. We already know we're headed to Klishnikov. And I don't have to tarp that sucker, so yes! Very yes. I don't mind tarping, but in this kind of weather, well, you know what, they'd be thawed out by that time. I get paid 70 bucks to tarp, so I don't really lose any money as far as time-wise goes, but it's still more fun to be driving than tarping. That load is going from Klishnikov to Merritt. So we'll take Highway 3 to Princeton and 5A north. And I remember 5A from last time. That was a fun road to take at night. Snowpack all the way, but it was snowpack, not slippery. So we'll see what it is now. If it's slippery, it will not be as much fun. I was cruising on that snowpack. You know what? Fog is beautiful in its own way, isn't it? It has that magic feel to it. Is sticking to the windshield. But it's not ice fog, so at least it's not freezing to the windshield. Visibility is still pretty decent. I can still cruise at a decent speed. Yesterday coming up Anarchist, it was so thick I had to slow right down and just crawl up. I could see two center lines. That's the distance I could see ahead of me. So just two of those yellow lines. I was just hoping there'd be nobody coming up behind us at full speed and smash into the back of us. Because that's always a risk too. Then there's guys still running with no lights on. That is scary. Very, very, very scary. Turn your headlights and rear lights on. Anytime it rains, any kind of fog, just to make yourself more visible. Engine brakes on now. Why am I not slowing down? Whoa! Guess he doesn't realize cutting off a big rig is not a good idea. Luckily, I got very late load. I have no problem slowing down. If I was fully loaded, that could have gotten a lot more dangerous. I'm gonna have his spray on the windshield the whole time. Oh well. So, I think I'll call it. And then if also we see some more beautiful stuff, I'll shoot some bonus videos. You guys have a great Tuesday. Thanks for watching.